Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker ANKER Soundcore BOOST. To make a hard reset, just press and hold power button and bass boost button right here at the same time for at least 7 seconds. And here we go. We just did it. Now click the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS, then forget device. And after that, pair new device and click on your speaker. Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!